Hello. This week has been pretty fun. It's making that three-dimensional boat or flat that currently, and taking each component of a little yellow submarine and making it a part of the main object, the yellow submarine. You got your rudder, you got your main shell, and you have the little tiny propeller, and you have the scope moving around as you're moving around your boat, and that's really cool. There's a lot of steps to go through, but it was really cool, and I really like the fact that you can do your keying in there as well. That's pretty interesting. That was awesome. Something I also read online is that you can take those objects and convert it over to CSS too if you wanted to throw it on a web page. You can have a cube or an owl flying around if you wanted to. Possibilities are endless. See you next week.